Okay, hi guys. So, I'm assuming that most of you guys who are watching this video came from Facebook, but yeah, I posted, I made a post on Facebook looking for people I can teach the computer, but then I got a lot of requests, and I don't think I can be able to teach a lot of people because I still have school. So I decided to post the videos on YouTube and we'll just see how they turn out. And another thing, guys, if you need to learn the basics of Excel, just just add me on Facebook or on Instagram, and I'll actually put the links down in the description, but just add me on Instagram or Facebook, and then I'll send you the notes. You don't need to pay for anything. I'm just showing you guys. And yeah, so the first thing we're gonna look at is the total, which is like basically the sum of these numbers, right? So on today's video I'm actually teaching you guys to use the basic formulas and functions of Excel, right? So to calculate the total, you must first start by entering the equal sign. Like each and every formula you use, you start by entering the equal sign, and then you type in sum as you're looking for the sum because it's the total, and then you double click on the sum, and then you highlight the numbers that you want to add up, and then you'll see that this shows you that you're actually adding from B5 to B10. These are the numbers that you chose, and then you simply say enter, right? And instead of doing the same things to these ones, you just as you can see, this cursor is a thick plus sign, but then if you want to do the same things to these other cells, you just go onto this one, you click onto this one, and then you find this small arrow, and then you just highlight these other blocks, and then it gives you the same thing, right? So this is just the easiest way to do like the same formula for the other cells, just so you don't like retype the formula many times. And then if you want to get the average, you just start by saying equal sign, and then you type average. This is your average right here. You double click on it, and then you do the same thing. You highlight from B5 to B10. You highlight from B5 to B10, and then you say enter. And the same thing again for these other cells, just so that you don't waste your time, you do the very same thing. And then the minimum, I'm just teaching you guys the formulas, like the four important formulas of Microsoft Excel, I guess. And then for the minimum, you just say equals to, and then you type min, and then this is your minimum. Double click on it, do the very same thing. It's easy, you guys. You don't need to do a lot of work. And then you just say enter, and again, instead of retyping the formula, you do the same thing. You look for this small arrow, and then you highlight the other cells, and then it gives you your answers. And then for the maximum, you do the very same thing, which is you max, and then double click, and then you highlight your digits, and then you press enter, and then again do the same thing. You don't want to waste your time, guys. Imagine in an exam or anywhere you have to do this, and then you're busy retyping the formula. It's gonna waste your time. So guys, these are the four most important formulas for Microsoft Excel, and I hope you guys learned them, and I hope it's gonna be easy for you. It's not that difficult, but then I'm gonna be posting more advanced videos in the future. I was just showing you guys the basic formulas, and the basic things you can do. It's not that hard, and just subscribe to my channel and like this video. It will encourage me to post more videos in the future. And yes, thank you guys for watching.